Hi everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in Florence, doubtlessly one of the most renowned Tuscan cities. Today we are about to visit together a truly one-of-a-kind property. It is located on Piazza del Duomo, the most important square of this city. We are talking about an outstanding apartment with a unique terrace right in front of the Duomo that I can't wait to show you. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The apartment is located on the last two top floors of the palazzo, and it starts from this gate right behind me. So here we keep going onto this hallway and we find the two doors. In fact, the property is currently divided into two cozy, smaller units for rental purposes. By opening a wall, they can be very easily connected together to create a single apartment. Let's start the tour with the first unit. It is 150 square meters, so about 1,600 square feet, and it is welcoming us straight away with its living area. As soon as we walk inside, we can straight away notice the details like this beautiful herringbone style parquet floor, the fireplace, which is the perfect Italian touch, and these high ceilings. The property is equipped with air conditioned and it's heated with radiators. In terms of layout, as I said, this is the main living space and it shares this area with the dining table over there. By the entrance door, we have another access to the kitchen, which is nice and cozy. Whilst on this side, we find these stairs through which we will go in a minute to go to the mezzanine level. But before, let's see the bedroom side over here. The bedrooms are two and they are connected by this central area. From here we find on my right a nice bathroom with bathtub, which is perfect to be used by the living areas, but also, given its proximity, by this bedroom right behind me. The second bedroom is a little bit larger than the first one. It has high ceilings and this mezzanine level over here, just like the first one, perfect to be used also as a storage. This room as well has its own ensuite bathroom on my right. We are now back on the main living area. Let's now go upstairs through these steps. This mezzanine level is overlooking the living area we've just seen, and it as well has its parquet floor. Quite high ceilings and two nice windows that give light onto the space. It is currently used as an office space, but could also easily be turned with a sofa bed into a guest bedroom. On the other side of the mezzanine level, we have this door which leads into useful storage and laundry space, and I just wanted to show you this impressive drawing right here. Let's now see the second unit with the one-of-a-kind terrace. The access is right beside the first unit, and as soon as we walk inside, we have this sitting area. Before we go ahead with the showing, I wanted to point out to you this wall over here, which is the edge between this apartment and the other one. So you could open it or make a door to connect the two units and create a single larger apartment. Style-wise, this unit is very similar to the other one, with this beautiful herringbone style parquet floor, quite high ceilings, and these painted wooden beams. Of course, there is lots of natural light. On one end of the sitting area, we find the access to the bedroom of the apartment. It is really bright and nice and spacious. Through that door/window over there, we can access onto a nice balcony overlooking Florence. Back to the living area, up these stairs. As we go halfway through, we have on this side a nice bathroom with bathtub that is perfect to be used by the bedroom and the lower level of the property. As we keep going, I just wanted to mention there is another nice space perfect to be used as a storage. And now let's go up to the top with the terrace. Have a look at this space. The views are outstanding, and it feels like you're about to touch the Duomo from the comfort of your living area. Before I show you the terrace, let's talk about these living spaces. They are full of natural light thanks to these huge windows overlooking the terrace, but also the skylight right above me and these two other windows on this side. There is air conditioning just like in the rest of the spaces, and from the living area over here we have a nice washroom on my right. Right behind me there is the kitchen, which is fully equipped, and in the end it has its own door/window giving light but also access onto the terrace. And finally, the moment has come to see the outdoor space of the property. It is hard to describe how amazing it feels to be here, and I'm pretty sure this is the kind of view you don't easily get used to. The Duomo is so close to the terrace, you feel like you're about to touch it. It's probably 15-20 meters away. Truly outstanding. This terrace is without a doubt the perfect place to enjoy a nice coffee, a meal or an aperitivo, right in front of what is doubtlessly among the most impressive architectural masterpieces of Italy. We've now gotten to the end of today's property tour. I hope you were amazed by this home just as much as I was, and I hope I made you realize how special it really is. I would love to show it to you personally if you ever come to Italy. And please, before I leave you, remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel to see the best homes of Italy every week. I will see you soon. Ciao.